Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a case in which the issue involved was that if the assessee files a revised return which was again revised by the assessee, but the second revision was not within the time limit prescribed by section 139 subsection 5, which at the relevant time, that is for the assessment year 89-90, was 1 year from the end of the relevant assessment year or completion of the assessment, whichever is earlier. So in the case where the revised return was filed beyond that date, whether the assessee has right to claim a new claim through a revised return which is not within the time. This issue has been taken by Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Shriram Investments versus Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case has been reported in 468 ITR at page number 372. The date of the judgment is 4th October 2024. In the present case, the relevant assessment year is 89-90. The assessee filed its return of income on 19th November 1989, and after that the return was revised by the assessee on 31st October 1990. The first revision was within the time limit. After that, the intimation under section 143 subsection 1 was issued, and after issuance of this intimation by the department, the assessee once again filed the revised return on 29th October 1991, which was beyond the time limit, because the last date to revise the return in the present case was 31st March 1991, and the second revised return was filed on 29th October 1991. In the second revised return, the assessee claimed a deferred revenue expenditure which was not claimed earlier, but the assessing officer denied this claim on the ground that he is not entitled to give this claim because the revised return is not within the time. The assessee filed the appeal before the CIT appeal, and the CIT appeal also rejected the claim of the assessee. So the assessee moved to the tribunal. When this matter came to the tribunal for the hearing, the tribunal, in spite of admitting the claim of the assessee, remanded the matter to the assessing officer to admit the claim of the assessee. When the tribunal remanded the matter back to the assessing officer through a order, this order was challenged by the revenue in the High Court, and the High Court reversed the order of the tribunal that the tribunal cannot remand back the matter to the assessing officer to claim a new claim through a return which was not filed within the due date of filing the revised return. The assessee filed an appeal before the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court also upheld the order of the High Court, and the Supreme Court was of the opinion that in the present case, what the tribunal should have done, the tribunal should have considered the claim of the assessee by himself, or the CIT appeal can also do so, but they cannot remand the matter back to the assessing officer to admit the claim of an assessee which is claimed in the revised return, which is not filed within the due date of filing the revised return. So the assessee fought his matter since 35 years, and at the end he was not entitled to any benefit just because of the technical grounds that the tribunal has not admitted the claim by himself and remanded the matter back to the AO. So in the present case, the loser was the assessee. He has to fight the battle for 35 years, and after that he was again back to the zero, and the matter was decided against the assessee. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Shriram Investments versus Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case has been reported in 468 ITR at page number 372. The matter has been decided by Honorable Supreme Court on 4th of October 2024. This case is very important because if the assessee wants to make any claim, then he can admit his claim only in the written or through a revised return. If at the appellate stage, the appellate authorities can themselves admit the claim, but they cannot remand the matter back to the AO for admitting the claim of the assessee, which is not admitted in the return which is filed on due time. Thank you, friends.